In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list of all countries in Google Forms. This is a great skill to have if you need to gather information from people around the globe and want them to select their country from a neat, organized list. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you're ready to utilize this feature effectively. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open Google Drive. If you're already signed into your Google account, simply navigate to the Google Drive homepage. This is where all your documents, forms, and spreadsheets are stored and managed, providing a centralized place for all Google-related activity. Once you're there, you're going to want to click on the New button. This button is usually located in the top left corner of the Google Drive interface. Clicking New will present you with a drop-down menu of various Google tools and options you can utilize, from Google Docs and Sheets to Forms and more. From this menu, you'll want to click on Google Forms. Google Forms is an incredibly powerful tool for surveys, questionnaires, and collecting data. Once you're in, you'll see an option to select blank form. Click on this to start with a fresh canvas, allowing you full customization without any pre-existing content or structure. With your blank form ready, it's now time to give it a name. This name will be the title of your form and is essential for easy identification, especially if you're creating multiple forms. Simply click on the form name field and type in a suitable title that describes the purpose of your form. Now that your form has a title, you need to add a question. This is where the drop-down list of countries will be integrated. Click on the Add Question button, and you'll see several options for types of responses, such as short answer, paragraph, and more. For the next step, you'll want to select multiple choice as the response type. This might seem odd initially, but don't worry, it's part of crafting your drop-down. When you select multiple choice, you'll be able to paste the list of countries into the options section. The magic of Google Forms will automatically transform this into a drop-down menu for users to select from. Next, find a comprehensive list of countries which you can easily search for online, or perhaps you have one saved already. Copy this entire list and then go back to your Google form. Click in the first option field and paste the list there. Google Forms smartly recognizes each line as a separate option, which simplifies the creation process significantly. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully created a Google form with a drop-down list of all countries, making your data collection process that much more organized and user-friendly. Implement this technique whenever you need structured and efficient data collection from around the world.